In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Telegram code sent to another device. So if you're having this kind of problem, what can we can do in order to get your Telegram code when it's sent to another? You first need to head over and open your Telegram application on the other device to find the code. So you need to make sure that you have access to that as well. Or you can also request a code via SMS to be sent to your phone number instead of the other device. Now, if you no longer have access to the other device, use the terminate all other sessions option to log out of all devices, then request the code again via SMS. Ensure you have a strong internet connection and consider regional restrictions in countries like China, Brazil, or Thailand, where Telegram access may be blocked. So find the verification code sent to your app's messages in order to successfully log in into your Telegram right there. And once you have done that, you should be able to access your Telegram account again. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.